Hi, let's continue our discussion of control systems and how we are modeling physical systems with control systems. In this video, I want to talk about Laplace transforms. Now, we have already looked at uh, the modeling of two different systems, right? And we looked at how uh, these models, these physical systems, can actually be represented by differential equations as shown on the screen. Okay, these differential equations can further be analyzed in a different manner than just trying to analyze differential equations and trying to solve them. And one of the ways that you can do that is by using Laplace transforms. So uh, I'm sure you have already studied Laplace transforms, or if I'm not mistaken, you are actually studying it this term in your maths. So, in Laplace transforms, you can replace the differential of a Laplace transform with a multiplication by the Laplace variable s. And so instead of dy by dt, you get y times ys, where y is the Laplace transform of the variable yt. And similarly, for a double differential, you get a multiplication with s square. For a single differential, yt just gets transformed to ys. Okay, so these Laplace transforms are very useful in analyzing control systems, and in fact, you would see as we proceed in the course that we almost exclusively use Laplace transforms to analyze control systems. That doesn't mean that we don't go into the time domain. We do go back into the time domain many a times, but the analysis of control systems is in large measure done in the using Laplace transforms. Okay, and one of the things that we can do if we get um, Laplace transforms in this manner is that you can get the transfer functions of the systems. The transfer function is the ratio of the output and the input. So output over input, and we could write this as GS, which is basically output is Y, the input is R, which is the force here. So Ys over Rs, and it is given by this equation. Similarly, for an RLC system also, you can write the Laplace, write the transfer function in the Laplace domain. And as I said before, this Laplace transforms helps us to analyze control systems.